Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo bathing Loula, the dog. Let's start drawing. Let's draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his little nose, and his smiling mouth, and then the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. He is wearing a superhero eye mask. I draw his body and his arms. I draw a big brush into his hands. I drew on his chest a badge like for superheroes, but I drew a P letter since he is Pocoyo. He has a long cape on his back. I draw one of his legs. Next to him, I draw a bathtub. Now let's draw Loula the doggy into it. I draw her eyes and her nose. Loula does not like bathing at all. I draw her 2 ears, then her body. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. Light red for his mouth. For the eye mask, I use red. Her outfit is blue, so I'm going to color her clothes with this blue marker. I use pink for the handle of the brush and cream for the brush itself. I colored the logo with red, yellow, and green. I colored the bathtub Minta. Light blue. Let's color Loula. I color Loula's skin with this light brown marker. And for his ears, I use this marker. And aqua blue for the ground. Awesome! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.